between two restaurants and find this very nice, smelly, interesting place. And they sell durians, only durians, so durian cafe. And interesting, they've got very interesting guide about durians, so it's not so easy to see how many different durians can be available, and all of them are different and they taste and flavor. So it's not durian just durian, it's a big culture of products. It's very interesting which one to try. So you see how big selection of them is available. Unfortunately the sun is not very great, so need to order something to try.
The black down.
So this is sweetest one, yeah?
Yeah, just the one.
Okay, can I have a portion please of this one?
The whole one?
No, half.
Half.
The whole one I think a little bit too much for me.
Half.
Yeah. So, black thorn, yeah? So where is you grow these durians?
This durian from Malaysia.
From Malaysia.
Yeah. $22, okay? $21.
Yeah, that's fine.
21, I give you half.
厨房很多单吗？是要给我们买单，你一会儿进来一下。
外面买的。
都要出来买单是吧？这边有没有需求？
就在这后面。全部拿进，全部拿进。OK。
So they brought this black thorn durian from Malaysia, and they give pair of glasses. So 2 pair of glasses just in case to be not make my hands dirty. So because they like to eat with hands and no forks, no knives, so we'll try to use gloves. So this is a traditional Asian way of eating everything in gloves. So let's try this black thorn. Sweet durian. Very creamy. Smell like a old onion. Yes, I agree. It's very sweet and not bitter. Also, it is very creamy, so it is nice. Yes, I quite like this durian. I think it's very good. A little bit expensive place, but quality of the durian is extremely high. Despite outside they look green, but inside they absolutely ready to eat. So I would like to say that it's a extremely delicious place. And if you like durians, you should go there. I mean, here in this golden moments, this is the best place for durians. So this is this place, and it looks amazing. So you need to visit it definitely. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and wait for new interesting video. Thank you. Bye.